Hi, I'm Nick and welcome to another Jordanbikes video. Today we're selling this Z1000HHF Performance Edition. It's a 2017 bike, 17 plate, a one owner bike. It's only done 1,946 miles and it's just spotless. This particular model comes with ABS as standard and also the Akrapovic carbon exhaust as standard as well. The first owner's fitted a tail tidy and some billet mirrors, and that's it really. We do also have the standard mirrors, and we have got some baffles for these exhausts as well. But I'll start it up for you so you can have a quick listen. One thing we're going to need to do to the bike before we release it is to fit a brand new back tyre, because we've successfully worn a flat spot in the middle of that, but we will do that. I'll just start it up for you. There you go, they come with these funky LED headlights on the front as well. So you know where we are. If you want some finance or PCP working out, give us a call. And if you've got a part exchange, give us a call as well and we'll do our very best for you. There you go. Thank you very much.